It's all gone, Phil. All the money's gone. Look at this. Looking pretty. How far are you off now, Rich?
It's a long way.
A long way?
Well, further than I'd like. Let's put it that way.
Looks like it'll start to be. Fire it up.
No, definitely not at a starting point for me yet.
It looks well clean, mate. Well clean.
Well, it should do 12 months worth of effort.
Yeah, no. What's this big spoolie boy, mate?
That is a Precision 6266.
A Precision 6266. Yeah. Wu-Tang Spinny Boy. It's looking good, mate. Has it give you a heart attack yet? Are you, like, stressed?
No, I'm alright. Pretty good. Pretty chilled.
Pretty chilled. You gonna have a few days over Christmas doing a bit?
Yeah, it depends on whether we run out of parts or not. A little bit of poor organisation on my part, unfortunately, has led to a stack of jobs not being able to be completed through one other part. You know what I mean?
So the engine's forged now, isn't it?
Yeah, fully forged, fully done.
So you also have
CP pistons, Eagle rods, ACL bearings.
Eagle rods are American, aren't they?
I believe they are.
Yeah. Because you use them on the Hondas, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then, what was I saying? You put me off track.
Sorry, well that was the engine, so seats...
ARP head studs and ARP crank studs. Brian Crowder cams stage 3 with double valve springs and titanium retainers. And then obviously just the machining work on the block as normal. Built it all back up with some shiny bits.
Shiny. I noticed the gearbox had been away and it's back now. So what happened with the gearbox?
Gearbox was just a refresh, new seals, check it over, make sure everything's all right. As you know, the boxes are getting really expensive now, so it was like just to make sure everything was all right.
I'm pretty sure the gearbox is worth more than my FN2.
Pretty much. I mean, they're reckoning they're selling for around $6.5 nowadays.
Don't grind them gears.
Yeah, don't grind gears. No launching.
No launching.
No launching, gearbox man says. No launching.
Where's the gearbox? Gearbox over there, ain't it?
Well, he says you can launch it if you want. If you want to spend $6.5 grand when you broke it.
Well, that's it, ain't it? You can do anything you want as long as you've got the money to fix it. Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, pretty much start back in the hole.
It must be nice to put the engine back in it because, you know, we've been pushing it about a bit and it's actually looking clean, Rich. You give it a bit of a clean. Because this is all fresh new paintwork, isn't it? And you've had the interior done, haven't you? You've had a roof lining done or something.
Yeah, roof lining, carpet, a few other bits. Engine bay obviously completely stripped, de-holed, de-wired. You know what I mean? I mean, obviously, you can see there's some wiring that you can see at the moment, but obviously we're not finished. So once that's all tucked away and finished, they won't see any of that. And stuff like that. We've removed fuse boxes down to the lowers from engine bays. Obviously some other control units that we've moved in through the inner wings and put them inside the car instead of being in the engine bay. Battery obviously relocation to the boot to get rid of that as well.
You having a bit of a stereo install as well, I heard.
Maybe. Well, we were looking at it anyway. We've priced it up. That'll be after we've dealt with all this lot, though. That's for sure. Still a lot to do here.
Because you've had new suspension, new brakes. It's been a complete nut and bolt rebuild, hasn't it? Yeah. You've even what do you call it? Raptor line.
Yeah, Raptor line on the underside. We'll take it up and have a look.
Yeah, take it up. Take it up.
Yeah, everything. Basically, it's a full nut and bolt restoration. Down to bare metal underneath, completely rebuilt, and then like I say, new brakes, new everything.
Yeah, you've had new brakes. I remember seeing them. Now you actually had a set of wheels, didn't you? You ordered a set of wheels, but they didn't fit over the big ass calipers. So a little bit more work to do on that next time. So this isn't the same as undersealing, is it? You got a torch, Jason? So it's actually colour coded. So you've used paint inside.
Yeah, the Raptor line itself comes in like a grey, or you can have it in black, you can have it in whatever you want, but I went with a light grey colour, and then this has been bare metal underneath, primed, Raptor lined, then painted and lacquered.
Yeah.
And then painted and lacquered.
So is this the stuff that they do, like, pick up, like, floors in and stuff?
Well, yeah, I mean, basically...
Like a resin?
Yeah, it's supposed to be pretty indestructible. You know, so obviously we won't get rust back through again or whatever through it. Obviously I decided I was going to paint it because I wanted it to look as good underneath as it was on the top.
It's all gone dark, Jason. It's all gone dark. It is pretty, man. And I know you'll never see this, but, you know, for the build photographs and stuff.
Yeah, I mean, the same again, like we went mental with all the rear suspension, everything's been painted, powder coated, you know, and done.
Polybushed.
Completely rebushed. You know, there isn't one nut and bolt on this car that hasn't been taken apart and put back together again, that's for sure.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah, it's beautiful underneath there. I mean, but it's been a lot of work, hasn't it, for you? It's been an ongoing project pretty much this year, right? It's 12 months worth of work.
It's about 12 months worth of work.
I mean, it's not 12 months worth of work, but as a busy workshop that's got 2 ramps, it's took 12 months, hasn't it?
I mean, we had a bit of lockdown time, didn't we? Obviously at the start of the year, so that really helped. We had a good 6 weeks on it then, where we got a lot of the underside.
Veasey Coilovers.
A lot of the underside stuff dealt with and got all into that, and then obviously we went back into lockdown again recently, so we've had a chance to get ourselves on the engine build and things like that. So again, it's took a big step forward. Hopefully for the end of January this car should be complete and running.
I think the nice thing about this car is it shows that even when it's going to be on the dyno finally being mapped from start to finish, Dynodaze is capable of every single thing that this car can that you can see on this car, whether it be the Raptor lining, undersealing, the poly bushes, the coilovers, the brakes, the engine build, the remapping. It's all done in-house, and there's not a lot of places that can say they can do all of it.
The only thing we haven't done here is the paintwork.
Yeah, of course.
I mean, that's for obvious reasons. We don't have an oven and we're not a paint shop, so you know that's not been done. That's all the paintwork's been done by Uncle Keith's paint shop.
Uncle Keith's paint shop. Another Ellis. The better looking one. Yeah, it's a beautiful car, mate, and you should be very proud of it. You get a lifetime achievement award when you start that for the first time.
Yeah. Well, let's put it this way, that'll last another 25 years.
It will. It'll last longer than you will, mate.
It will. You're probably right.
Your lads will be fighting over that.
It'll be outlive me, and then my kids will be fighting.
Yeah, your lads will be fighting over that, for sure.
What, see who's going to go out first and curl it?
That's right, that's right.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So, guys, we will do some more updates on this vehicle as we go. It's, what management's it running? Link?
Link is on. That was already in there, to be fair, from the previous.
Yeah, so there'll be videos of it being mapped up and seeing what power. Come on, what power are you going for?
I'm going to stick to 701 at this point.
701, I like your style. 700 plus brake horsepower. I like your style.
Obviously on low boost.
On low boost. Oh yeah, low boost. We love that, don't we?
Yeah, I love that.
Oh, my car makes 300 brake on low boost. Yeah, no.
Yeah, so obviously low boost. Capable of 6 million brake horsepower, but 700 on low boost.
Do you want to divulge what colour this is or not?
Not really.
Okay, it's nice. It's nice. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we'll keep you posted on this beautiful Supra. And hopefully next time you see it, it'll be on the dyno, making some noises.
fast.